This 2014 Winnebago Lite 526 RKS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, refrigerator, stovetop burner, microwave, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, oven, air conditioning, water heater, auxiliary battery. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.